Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151. Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic BMW X1 xDrive for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the brake, press the start-stop button there, car fires up very nicely, move the stick down into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Accelerator and the gearbox feel good. Brakes feel nice. See how the steering is in a moment. Yep, steering feels great as well, so the car is driving spot on as it should, as you'd expect with it being a BMW. It's a really nice car to drive, great visibility, sitting that little bit higher up with it being an SUV. Spacious as well for all 5 passengers and a decent boot as well. Plenty of power from the diesel engine, and also great specification as well. So this one's got a load of upgrades on it, about £6,500, something like that, including the detachable tow bar that an owner has fitted at some point. But the factory fitted upgrades are the BMW Professional Media Package. So the main feature of that is the widescreen that you can see on the video. At the moment it's displaying the sat nav, which is part of that upgrade as well. Sat-nav isn't standard on these. On that system you also got DAB radio, as well as FM, AM and CD player, auxiliary input and USB port, so loads of different ways to connect your devices, as you've also got Bluetooth audio streaming, as well as your Bluetooth for your hands free as well. Got dual zone climate control here, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. This lovely Oyster leather makes the inside look a lot more exciting than the black leather, I think. Also heated front seats, that's an upgrade. Cruise control, that's an upgrade. Really nice leather multi-function steering wheel with the flappy paddles should you wish to take over the controls manually. On the exterior you've got the 19-inch alloys, a classic BMW design to boot. Really sets the car off very nicely indeed. Front and rear parking sensors, another upgrade, as well as your little luxuries like your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers,
So yeah, it's a really lovely car. It's immaculate as well. I couldn't find a mark on it, which is amazing given that it's nearly 10 years old and done 71,500 miles. But yeah, fantastic condition indeed. So here we are at High Auto. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.